Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your Android phone has Google Assistant active, and you have either a Chatgpt API key or a local model ready. Once done, install an automation app like Tasker plus an HTTP or webhook plugin. These let you intercept voice intents. Enable developer options and grant the automation app microphone and accessibility permissions so it can act in place of assistant. Make sure your API key is stored securely inside the automation app for later calls. Next, capture the trigger and route it to Chatgpt. Set Tasker to listen for the assistant hotkey, hot word, or long press home and convert spoken text to a prompt. Then format a JSON payload matching Chatgpt API requirements and choose streaming if you want incremental replies. Configure headers, rate limits, and retries inside the HTTP action. Once the response arrives, parse the text field and prepare it for TTS or visual output. Manage tokens and error codes to avoid unexpected failures. Finally, convert ChatGPT's reply into a natural spoken response using the device TTS engine or display it in a heads-up UI. Make sure to implement fallbacks so that if the API call fails or latency exceeds a chosen threshold, the system hands control back to Google Assistant. Once done, run end-to-end tests for different prompts, lock down your API key storage, and set usage alerts to prevent surprise charges. Troubleshooting tip: if responses are missing, check permissions, network, and API.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.